Hey, welcome back to Cool Guitar, and let's draw the Rift to Go item in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and this one is actually pretty simple to draw. So to begin, we just gotta draw in the big circle first. And this is probably gonna be the hardest part, is to try to draw a nice big circle. So you can use any kind of drawing aid to help you guys if you need to, because usually with freehand your circle will be a little bit wobbly. Alright, so we're just gonna start with one big circle, and then from here we're gonna draw in another. So in the line here, right on the bottom, we're just gonna draw another line, just kind of another curve going all the way around here. Just kind of tuck it back up. Okay, and then once you have that, on the side, just draw two lines straight down, and then we're gonna draw one more curve, so same thing as this one. So once you have this, we're gonna draw in the base. So in the corner here, just flare out, and then we're gonna draw another curve, pretty much the same as this, but just bigger. All the way across, and then for the very bottom, again on the side, just come straight down, and then one more curve like this again. And this is a pretty cool thing to have in the game. It's a real lifesaver. Only had it a couple of times, but it's pretty cool because you can take yourself and also your whole squad with you, whoever's close to you. All right, and then for the inside, we're gonna start out right in the middle here. You can make a little point. Just gonna draw like a V shape for now. Okay, so once you have the V shape, then we're gonna draw another triangle here. So just draw a little angle, and then we're just gonna connect that. Okay, and then on this side here, we're gonna draw one line. It's kind of floating in midair. And then we're gonna go up. Okay, and then from here, let's finish up on this V shape here. We're just gonna go straight into the little shape here, make a little turn, and just kind of come up. So it doesn't have to be exact as long as you have some of these angles. And then come back in. And then lastly, just one little more detail here. Okay, and then let's see, we can add in some stuff later, but let's finish up the inside of it first, because it is glass, so you can see the back of it. So on this side here, we're gonna draw one curve, pretty much the same as this curve, and I'm just gonna leave a little bit of space so that hopefully it will look like it's on the inside. Okay, and then once you have that on the inside, there's actually, it looks like some kind of landmass. So we're just gonna draw in some of these as if it's on top of a mountain or something. Okay, and then lastly, on for the glass around, there's some thickness to it, so I'm gonna draw some lines all the way around it. Okay, and we can add in some highlights. And then lastly, if you want to add in some details on these, whatever these things are, look like little shards, you can just add in some lines. It's almost like glass cracking. So just kind of come in some small little lines. And that is it for this very simple to draw Rift to Go. Very useful item in the game. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.